Dicks? Welcome back to the channel where we do shit Colts way. Today I'm just going to do a quick little video. I had a giveaway on my last video. We'll get to that giveaway at the end of this video. I'm going to give away some Freedom funnels. I said I was going to give away 5, but I couldn't pick just 5, so I'm going to give away 7. But we'll get to that at the end. I'm going to do a little quick video on the push. Every video is on the latte, but I'm going to do a quick video on the new TCM tunes that I got from Proven. So we'll go through here, and a lot of people were like, well, they removed the cam reset. Well, it's because every time you were changing people were changing their transmission tune, they were doing a cam reset, and that's not needed. So like basically whenever you first would tune your truck, then you'd do a cam reset, then you'd do your trans and you'd roll with it. But they were doing a cam reset every time they switched trans tunes, and that wasn't needed, so they took that option away. So the only option you have now is to, like, because some of my previous videos I'd say, hey, go do the cam reset, because that was, starting from scratch. But we'll kind of go through what they did and how to navigate through it. So this is what we got. So we're sitting in my truck right now. Let me see if I can get close enough for it. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to go to vehicle, I'm going to go down here, ECU profiles, and you can see I just run a 80 horsepower tune. That's all I run. I haven't changed the transmission tune in ages because it's fine, but this new one's supposed to be butter. So I'm going to go down here to TCM tunes, and the one I'm going to pick is the high pressure medium shift second gear lock. So what I'm going to do is download that one right there from the cloud, and then I'm going to install it, and it's going to say whatever it's going to say, line pressure update, blah, blah, blah. They smarter than me, so I'm just going to proceed. I pressed install, then I'm going to press proceed, and it's going to do its thing just like any other video. It's going to be like turn your truck off, and I'm not going to go through all that. So it's going to turn your truck off, so I'm going to turn it off in this hot ass 114 degree weather. So I'm going to turn it off, go through it, and then when it's coming back on, I'll start the video back. Just go enjoy your latte. I'm gonna let it do its thing, and then we'll start the video back up. All right, so we're coming up on 100% like anything else, because I'm about to die. It's been like 40 seconds and I'm about to die. So off, continue, on, continue, let's go. Let's go, boom. So now my transmission has been programmed for the high pressure medium shift second gear lock tune. So now what you don't do is go drive like a damn dumbass everywhere. You got to give so like the next 200, 300, 400 miles, I'm just going to drive normal. And I don't normally drive like a dumbass unless I'm filming myself, because then I got to. But most of the time I'm just driving unless I, got to get out of the way or I need to haul ass or something. But so just drive normal like you normally would, because your transmission is going to have to learn now. So for 300 to 400 miles, just drive like you normally do. Don't, I just tuned my trans, now I can go burn off my 38s, bro. No, you can't do that. That's why people blow all their shit up. So just drive normal, let your transmission learn, couple 200, 300 miles, whatever, and then you'll be good to go. But that's literally all there is to it. So we're tuned right now, and I don't have to drive anywhere right now. I just kind of was wanting to go through this video because I've had a lot of people emailing me, hey, the cam reset's gone. What do I do? You don't need it. So that's why they did away with it. But I wrote these names down right here. So we're going to do the giveaway for the Clyde Mel Freedom funnel. I said last video I was going to go order them and have them shipped to the house, but then the old redneck in me got to thinking, like, if I did that, I'd have to pay shipping to get them. I'm already going to have to pay shipping to get them in my house, and I have to pay shipping to get them to the subscribers. So like I said, I was going to give 5 away, but I couldn't do just 5. So I picked 7 people. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read your name off, and then I'm going to write under your comment, say, hey, you won, dog. Shoot me an email. My email's in the video description. Email me, give me your address, and then I'll go online and order all 7 of them individually and ship them to y'all. So the first one, it's no particular order. And like I said, I wish I was a rich YouTuber. I'm not. I'm just a shitty YouTuber. I wish I could get everybody some stuff, but I can't. One day I'm gonna be giving back if I can ever grow this thing. I'm trying to give back now, but I just appreciate y'all. So Ryan Lee Productions, that's one. Chris Cook, Michael French, excuse me if I pronounce these names wrong, Steve Halikma, ES339 guy, Jared Spinelli, and Cold Alaskan 73. Y'all shoot me y'all's addresses via email, and like I said, I'm not just going to give this video and not tag you. Like, I'm going to tag you under your comment in case you don't see this video. But give me y'all's addresses. I'll get these things shipped out. I'll order them all today. But I appreciate everybody watching. So let's go hit Clyde real quick. Let's finish this latte first. Then we'll go hit Clyde and finish another one. And then I'll get this thing posted so we can go ahead and let the winners know. Let's roll. All right, I got to address it real quick because I know somebody's going to say something. Well, you were using Ezlynk on your phone. You said you could use it on the screen. I still do. I use it on the screen every time. I was just trying to come out here real quick for the phone just to kind of shoot the video real quick because it's hot, but she still works perfect. So there's your tile or your gauges. Here's your tiles. She still works. So I use it every day. But we'll go out there, hit Clyde real quick, and in this video, y'all hit me up with y'all's address and we'll get this thing shipped out. Let's roll. All right, like we always do, we got old Clyde. We go hit him one time with the old bush latte. But once again, I appreciate the hell out of y'all watching. It means the world to me. If you haven't, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button too. I guess the notify button. If you want, if you don't, I don't really give a shit, but it'd be cool. Just kind of help me grow a little bit. But anyway, I got the names wrote down. I already read them on camera one time, but I'll get on my computer and try to figure out how I can put them on the screen because I'm not very computer good, as I would say. But I'll put the names on the screen and I'll notify you. Shoot me a damn email. I'll get your address, and then I'll get them shipped out to you tonight, tomorrow. As soon as y'all hear back from me, I'm gonna go order them. But I figured I'd save myself just a little money, so I could just ship them right from them. To put your address in that way. I don't have to pay for shipping twice. Like I said, I'm not a rich YouTuber. I'm just a shitty YouTuber. So what is it? Tails down, beaks up. Ah! Peace.